Fall trees. Another thing that happens in the fall is that leaves drop to the ground. Today, we will continue our tree project by adding leaves as well as texture on the trunk of the tree. Finished. Now, our next step is going to be to add some leaf piles down on the ground. Your piles don't have to be perfect, just try your best. If you want, you can even add some leaves falling off the tree. Before we continue on our tree, let's talk about texture. The word texture describes the feeling of a surface. In this case, the feeling would be kind of rough. There are many different kinds of textures that we see in our world. For our project, we will be inspired by the texture of a tree. We will specifically be inspired by this. This is called a knot, and knots are found on trees. Do you notice how the ovally shape keeps repeating? We will do the same thing in our project. Let's get started. Now that we have finished drawing the leaves of our tree, we're going to add a texture to the base of our tree. We call this area the trunk. We're going to start by adding a letter C, and we're going to continue to add more lines around it. When our lines bump into each other, we can just keep adding around them to fill in the rest of our space. These lines added texture to our tree. Your lines don't have to be perfect, just try your best. This is where we will be stopping for today. It is important that you talk to your grown-up and find a safe place to keep your art until next time, so we can keep working on it. Have fun creating your fall tree.